naked Doritos. Let's try it. Nacho cheese first. Oh, the naked Doritos is no dyes or artificial flavors. So it's just the goodness. All right. No extracurriculars. Let's try it. Sniff test. Oh, it smells like straight tortilla chips. I don't know if these are gonna be good or not. You know, you got to get about 2.
Oh, yeah, those are just tortilla chips.
They smell like straight tortilla chips. Let's go.
What flavor is this?
No BS. And it's still hitting? Okay. I give these. I don't really care for the nacho ones like that was nacho cheese. I don't really care for the regular ones anymore because I do the spicy. That is spicy. So I'm going to get those 3.8 out of 5. All right, moving on to the naked Cool Ranch. Tortilla chips. Regular tortilla chips. You can't have none, son. All right, let's go.
That's good.
Whatever the color is, whatever that extra stuff is in the other bags, not worth it. These naked Doritos is hidden. Overall, like for the concept of not having all the BS in it, 5 out of 5. These, I'm gonna give like a 4.5. This is like my 3rd favorite Dorito. So 4.5 for the naked. And like I said, 3.8 for the regular nacho cheese.